Hello guys, welcome to Web Development Tips and Tricks. So in our HTML programming course, this is our first video, and in this video we will learn how to create an HTML document. So this is our Visual Studio Code. I am using this as my text editor. So you can also download this one. I will give the link in the description. So let us start. So as you can see here, when you open, here comes new file, open folder, add workspace folder, customize, find, learn, help, and send. These are my folders that I am opened. So first you have to create any folder name HTML or the folder name that you want. Then go to file, open folder or recent and more. I've already opened the folder, that's why I click here. You can file, open folder, and then go to the location and click on select folder. So my folder is selected. Now I have to create a new project. Before creating, I want to tell you some extensions you have to download if you are using Visual Studio Code. So here extensions, click on here. Then you have to search them. I've already downloaded here HTML snippets. You have to download 3 HTML snippets: JS, CSS, HTML formatter, and this one, live server. So you have to download 3: live server, JS, CSS, HTML formatter, and HTML snippets. So I will show you how. Then type HTML snippets. Here it is, HTML snippets. You can download this one. And remember, you have to download from Muhammad Abu Said, not Kayo, the name. You have to download HTML snippets from Muhammad Abu Said, not from other one. Then after you download it, and also remember to download the live server. And after you have downloaded, here comes the next step. Go to keyboard shortcuts, then search copy line, copy line down. उसके बाद then here you have to make these key bindings on any other shortcut that you want. This key binding will help us more. Then you can change them by clicking here, then the slide shift key, then press enter. It's changed. Then here click Control D, then press enter. Here it is changed. So this is how you can change the binding. Then now the next step to create an external document. So here comes a new file, new folder, refresh explorer, and collapse folders and explorer. So here is click on new file, then give the file name just like first HTML page, and remember the extension of HTML document .htm or .html. Both are HTML. Here you can see the logo HTM, HT, only text, HTM, angular brackets, the symbol of HTML, and L, triangular brackets, means HTM and HTML. Both are angular brackets. logo. These both are HTML extensions. So click it and now it has created.